So the jerk chicken recipe that you've been waiting for. Using my dry jerk seasoning, make sure you scroll back and check out the recipe for the jerk seasoning. Also see how I seasoned that chicken to make it today. So I also have a wet marinade if you just want to use that, but this is the dry rub. Here we go. Set your smoker up for 300 degrees. We are using oak lump charcoal, mesquite lump charcoal, and some cherry wood chunks. No, I'm not using pimento wood. You do not need pimento wood for jerk. If you think so, please go and read the history. All right, let's do this. We're cooking over direct heat. When the smoker is closed, there's not a raging fire in there. But when you open it, you do get that kiss of flame that is very, very necessary. All right, here we go. When you get your chicken to the right doneness and the right color that you want, pull that thing off and enjoy. Follow for more, y'all. All right, walk good.